Friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss the one friction problems. So what is the problems given here? A cord connect. So this is the cord connect here. A cord is connect two bodies, 500 Newton and 1000 Newton. The two bodies are placed on an inclined cord. So these are the inclined plane. Each parallel to the inclined plane. So this two bodies parallel to the inclined plane. The coefficient of frictions of the weight 500 is 0.2 and from 1000 is 0.4 given. Then determine the inclination. This inclination theta they are asking. And tension of the string. So these two 500 or 1000 Newton body connected. So here tension will create between two blocks. So the tension they are asking. And what is given? 500 Newton block is below the 1000 Newton block. That is the given question. So this given question, I draw this diagram. Now what I have to do, as you know, friction problems when you are solving, you have to draw the free body diagram. So see here, one inclination, we know the free body diagram. Then second inclination also we know the free body diagram. Now these two will combine, they combined here. So we'll draw the free body diagram. Simple steps what we did early, we did. So see here, free body diagram how we'll draw. So already you know, weight always will act vertically downward. So this is the weight. Now normal reactions along the body. Normal reactions along the body. So this if you write 500 Newton, so this will be what is 500, this theta, na, this also theta, so 500 cos theta. Then perpendicular line, this perpendicular will draw, this will be the 500 cos theta, this is 500 sin theta, this will be the R. So R1 you take the R1, this will take the, this given, this you take mu1, this you take mu2, okay. So R1. Now tension of the string, suppose two blocks are connected each other. If you want to separate these two, so this is the tension and this is the tensions will be there. So both wants to connect each other. If this string is there, if you break is filled this, so both directions will be equal and opposite. What Newton's third law telling? Action and reactions will act equal and opposite direction. So this tension, suppose a string you are breaking, this is the directions will come. So here what directions will give here for tension? TK will give this directions T. Then this block also will be the similar directions will come. So this is the T. This is also T. Okay. Now still other block. Weight will be always vertically downward. Normal reaction along the body. So along the body once you draw, this is the resolution. This also theta again. This given 1000 Newton. Then this will come 1000 cos theta. Then perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular. T. You write T here. Somewhere T. Okay. Now this is the 1000 sin theta. This is R2. Normal reactions R2 due to the weight. Now frictional force. Frictional force already here. Force not there now. This frictional force will be always this side only. So frictional force will be this side only. This is frictional force. This is F2. And another frictional force will act upward direction because 500 sin theta T. So another frictional force directions you give here F1. So frictional force given here for due to this frictional force here. Now this is the free body diagram for the given questions. So tension T, both side F2. Now what we have to do? We'll apply the two equilibrium equation. We'll get the answer. That's all. Solve it. So first consider first block 500 Newton block. Consider. So you can say let theta be the angle of inclination which we have to find. Theta is the angle of inclination which we have to find. and T be the tension of the string. Okay. Mu1, mu2 the coefficient of friction, R1, R2 normal reactions. Okay, I'm not writing. So considering 500 Newton block. Considering 500 Newton block. Now 500 Newton blocks when taking na, you forgot about this part, 1000 Newton. So you consider this part. So what is there here? One equilibrium equation sigma H is equal to 0 now already told. Total leftward force is equal to rightward force. If you write now you see here, two forces going, F1 and T going this direction. So what you can write? F1 plus T equal to downward direction. What is coming? 500 sine theta. 500 sine theta. This coming. So F1 is nothing but mu1 R1 plus T. Mu1 R1 plus T. Mu1 value you can, okay, next step will write. T is equal to 500 sine theta. Mu1 we can write what is? You write here, that implies mu1 will be 0.2 R1 plus T is equal to 500 sine theta. Give equations 1. Now come the sigma FB, that means vertical force equal to 0, another equilibrium equation. Here what we have to see? Total upward is equal to total downwards. General concept. Total upward is equal to total downward forces. What is that upward? R1 is going upward. Downward what is coming? 500 cos theta. Any other things is there? No. Because this 500 ke two component, cos and sine. So 500 will not come. But inclined force having two components. So 500 ke two component. Now substitute R1. Substitute R1 in equation 1. So what will get? 0.2 500 cos theta plus T equal to 500 sine theta. Now because T is equal and opposite, so we'll get T is equal to here how much? So that implies T is equal to this side, T is equal to, so this side I am writing now. So 500 sine theta minus 500 into 0.2. How much coming? 500 into 0.2. It will come 100 will come calculator. 500 into 2.2. Calculator. 500 into 0.2. So 100. So it will come 100 cos theta. Give equations number 2. So this one tensions we got. One tensions we got. Calculator. So now considering 1000 Newton block. Similarly, what is sigma Fh equal to total? Now we consider this part only. This part. This T 1000 sin theta, this part only. So what will be there? Total, this was force equal to total rightward force. What is F2? F2 is equal to T plus 1000 sin theta. So this nothing but mu2 R2 is equal to T plus 1000 sin theta. 1000 sin theta. Then mu2 is equal to 0.4. 0.4 R2 is equal to T plus 1000 sin theta. So see this similar concept. Always we are writing everything should be same. Everything should be writing same. This and this. Only what is value there that we are writing here. Now we will see this give equations number 3. Now sigma FB equal to 0. That means total upward is equal to total downward force. What is there? Only R2 is equal to 1000 cos theta. Now substitute R2 in equation 3. Similarly here, substitute R1 in equation 1. So same things we are going to do here. So 0.4 R2 means 1000 cos theta equal to T plus 1000 sine theta. Now 1000 into 0.4. Now you see we'll get here 1000 into 1000 into 0.4. So 1000 into 0.4 it will come 400. So 1000 into 0.4. So 400. So it will come 400. 400 cos theta equal to t plus 1000 sine theta. Now t is equal to. So t is equal to what will come? T will be this side. So 400 cos theta minus 1000 sine theta is equal to t. We got the another equation. So this will give equations number how much? 3, 4. This equations number 3. Substituting 3. This equations number 1. This equations number 2. Substitute in 1. Okay. So now already what is there here? Tension. Tension is equal and opposite. They are asking what is the tension. So now what we'll do? Make the equation 1 equal to equation 2. So from equation 1, equation 2. 2 equal to equation 4. So what is equation 2? 500 sine theta minus 100 cos theta equal to 400 cos theta minus 1000 sine theta. We will check this value. So 500 sine theta minus 100 cos theta equal to 400 cos theta minus 1000 sine theta. Okay, now we'll bring the all the same things same. Sine will bring sine here. So minus here, it will come this side, it will come 1500 sine theta. This minus will go this side, will be plus 500 cos theta. So if we'll divide here, or another method, what is? Divide sine theta by cos theta tan theta. So divide cos theta both sides. This is easy steps. Or this you divide this side also na, it will come 1 this side. So, okay. So divide cos theta na 1500 sine theta by cos theta is equal to 500 only. Now 500 into 3. So sine theta 3, tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. That implies theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. So we'll get the theta answer here. We'll get the theta answer here. 18.43 degree. 18.43 degree. Now substitute theta either equation 2 or equation 4. Substitute theta either equations 2 or equations 4. So you will get here substitute t is equal to 500 sine 18.43 minus 100 cos 18.43. So t you will get direct value 400. So you will get here t is equal to 63.2 Newton. So you will get 63.2 Newton. So this will be the answer for that. This will be the answer. This is also the answer for this question. So see this questions, how long questions will be almost halfway. Once read the question, draw this is the diagram. Once you know the diagram, you know the basic concept for single inclined plane, what is free body diagram. This is the free body diagram. Lot of questions I did this way. Then again draw the free body diagram. Now block 1 you take the two equilibrium equations, sigma h equal to 0, sigma v equal to 0. We get the t equal to this. Similarly here sigma h equal to 0, sigma f equal to 0. So we got the equation. Now tension will be equal and opposite. So both tensions will be equal and we will get this way theta and substitute the theta either here or here, you will get the T value is 63.2 newtons. Okay. Okay, students, watch this video and practice these problems twice if you understand, and share this video to your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you.